Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to check for updates using Windows 10. Now, in Windows 10, you have a notifications section. You go down to the notification section, you click on it, and then you go to All Settings. Click on All Settings, you get the All Settings screen. Click on Update and Security. You get this. Now, if you're part of an organization, you will have that kind of message up the top there, but all you need to do is click check for updates. It will go through a check, and if it comes back with anything, it will actually start downloading and installing it for you. And then you may get a message to reboot the machine at some point. But you can see it's just done a check. I'm all up to date, so it's all good. And that's how you do a Windows 10 update. Thank you for watching.